Hi, in this video we are going to talk about the anatomy of WordPress install. This is a list of suggestions how you should use this video. The notes for this video can be found on this web page, which is loaded here. Please take note that this is a different web page from the previous videos. This is the advanced page. The first thing we are going to talk about is how to clone a previous installation work. If we go to our C drive, temp, my WordPress, we can open up web host registration to find out more about what we have done previously. We had installed a WordPress, and we have installed and set up a WordPress site at this URL. Okay, which is great. So this is the original URL. And now I want to clone it to a new URL to create a new WordPress site. Let's say we want to call this WordPress site Lab 3. Okay, so let's say we want to clone Lab 1 to Lab 3 by creating an exact duplicate copy. So to do that, we first need to log into the cPanel of our host. So we know that the cPanel of our host is here. So we copy the URL. And we can log in. Okay. We need to create a subdomain. The subdomain name is this. Okay, so we are going to do that. So go to your control panel, go to subdomains. Say there's only one subdomain, of course. You want to create another one, so you can say that I want to create a subdomain called Lab 3. Create. So now you have a lab domain, Lab 3. Okay, obviously Lab 3 is completely empty. To prove that, you can go back to your control panel, look at the online file manager. You have Lab 1 and Lab 3, two subfolders. Your Lab 3 is completely empty under htdocs. Whereas Lab 1 has a lot of stuff under htdocs, which is the whole WordPress site. So let me close that. So since your Lab 1 is full and Lab 3 is empty, I want to copy everything from Lab 1 to Lab 3, and we do a clone for that. Okay. So let's go to our Softaculous. It's really slow today. So after you go into Softaculous, go to all installations. So you have lab 1. So I want to clone lab 1 to 3. So you say that I want to do a clone. Okay. So this is the site information. Alright. Choose the domain. I want to clone lab 3. And I want to clone it to a root directory. You have a different database name, of course. Okay. So delete the WP, so you will be in root. And then I say that I want to clone installation. Okay, so we are done. So now I have a new website that is on lab 3. This website is exactly the same as the website that we have in lab 1. Okay, so lab 3 is exactly the same as we have in lab 1. So you can work on lab 3 without worrying about messing up lab 1. So if you go back to the control panel and look at the file manager, you realize that now in lab 3 there are a lot of stuff under htdocs, in fact exactly as what you have in lab 1. And also another thing is under the MySQL databases, you will have two databases. One database is used by lab 1 and the other one is used by lab 3. Okay. Okay, so we have cloned lab 1 to lab 3. In the next video we are going to work on the lab 3 to move things around a little bit. So now is a good place to stop. Thanks for watching.